Hello, how are you? And I wanted to get on here and just do a quick, just like a quick project share, I guess, on a package I received from Michelle. And so here's her box. And this is the card that she sent me. And she just said she hopes I enjoy her book. And I just want you guys to look at this masterpiece that she sent me, along with, like, I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can see it. All this pretty crinkle and balls, like little foamy balls or whatever. It's adorable. So let's go ahead and get right into sharing this gorgeous embellishment book that she sent me. And I think, if I remember correctly, she has a tutorial on how she makes these. I don't think she has a tutorial specifically for how she made this one, but I think she said she had a tutorial for how to just make like the base or whatever. But look at this tassel, and I believe you can take it off. Look how cute this tassel is. I mean, seriously, look at all these chunky yarn pieces, and I mean, it is beautiful. This is like so cute. And then not only that, but she did like a shaker on all three sides. Look at this amazingness. I mean, seriously. Look, she made a shaker. And then she made like this cute little, like, it's one of those, like, why haven't I thought of this before? Like, you know, like that, like, elasticy lace. That's what she used here. And I think this is just some glue. But, and it was like perfect for this. And then she made this little, like, you know, thing for it here. I mean, so freaking cute. This is adorable. Like, seriously. Michelle, this is amazing. And then I just love how chunky this is. I don't know if you can see. Look at how chunky. I mean, look. My hand. I just love, this is like beautiful. So she attached them, I think, with like different paper clips. But look at this. It's like a gigantic paper clip, and it's also a shaker. And I have like a bunch of these that I like bought, and I have never really used because I never know how to like decorate stuff with them. So she gave me like so many ideas. Here's another one that I took off. Look how cute these flowers are. And yeah, like, I don't know if this is a punch or if it's a die or what. But see, look at these with that same Hobby Lobby trim. How cute. And I also have, I think this is also Hobby Lobby, and I think I also have that. Look how cute. And then she made like a little shaker out of the, yeah. I mean, these are like freaking adorable. And then look at these. So cute. I love them all. Look how cute these are. I'm like in awe, admiring all of them. And you know, this makes me think that she has that heart punch I have, and that's what maybe she used for these hearts, because it's like a punch that you can punch out 3 different kinds of hearts, like a whole heart, this frame, and then, or I guess that's it. But look how cute these are. Oh my gosh, I'm dying over the cuteness. And look at these tassels. She made some of those tassels that everybody's been making. I still haven't, I bought beads, but I haven't made them. But look at these. They are just freaking beautiful. I love these. Like, seriously. I mean, how cute are these? Look at these. I just can't get over. These are just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. They really, really are. And just all this layering she has going on. I love it all. Her bows. I just bought this die. So I'm excited to try it. And hopefully this die, because I think it was, I bought the small and the big. Love the bows. You can always use bows. And then she included some, just, I guess some just like treat bags. Is that what these are? Yeah, she just like decorated some treat bags. Look how cute. What a good idea to use some of your scraps. And I don't know about you, but I always have these like chipboard pieces. Sometimes I have like random pieces left over, and this would be like a perfect idea. Okay, now these. I seriously love that she reused packaging on this and that she made me these flowers. And I want to know what dye you used for these flowers, Michelle, because I love these flowers. So cute. And then look at this. She made another shaker. Oh, what a great idea to use that foil. I mean, seriously. And then that's the end of it. And look at this. I just love this. This is so pretty. This is going to go right on top of my bookcase over here. This is gorgeous. Thank you, Michelle. Thank you for swapping with me, and thanks for waiting for me. Took so long to finish the book, my book. She does have a share on her channel, and I hadn't had time to do hers, so I'm doing it now. But go check her out. She has a lot of awesome tutorials and awesome things on her YouTube channel, so I'll link down all her information down below. This was amazing, Michelle. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hasta luego. Bye.